Okay, it says I am here and I am live. Hello, hello, everyone. I know it's been a little bit since I have gone live. I've kind of been keeping more of a low live profile, so to speak. But I am happy to be here. For those of you who don't know me, I am Myrna Lane Hippolyte, and I am a financial wellness coach, a wealth strategist, and I really work with high achieving powerhouse women to help them turn their amazing income into wealth by investing in the stock market. That's what I do. I help people conquer the fear of investing in the stock market and actually do it and become active investors. And so I wanted to hop on tonight to invite you to an event that I am hosting next week on Tuesday, January 27th at 7:30 p.m. Eastern. It's a virtual event. Now, it's 2026 and some of you have already given up on your New Year's resolutions, but it's still January and the New Year's resolution rush is real. And so if you have on your list ways to grow your money, get your financial house in order, then one of the best ways to really build and get your wealth moving from here to here is investing in the stock market. And during the investing happy hour, what I'm going to do is break down the simple terms, the terms that get in the way, because a lot of times people think, oh, I got to know it all. I don't understand. It's complicated. It doesn't have to be complicated. And so I'm going to break down the simple terms. What is a mutual fund? What is an ETF? What on earth is a stock even? So I'm going to break it all down in a simple and fun way. You come, you bring your glass of wine, you come learn the basics. And not just the basics, you're also going to learn about your own personal investor persona. What does that mean? Investing in the stock market is kind of like food preferences, right? Some people like steak, some people are allergic to seafood, some people are vegan. You got to know where you are, because what I invest in may not be what you invest in. And so we're going to learn about that during the investing happy hour. And you're going to learn what you need to learn to start your journey if you have not started, because the important thing is to start. If you hadn't noticed, the stock market, and if I look at the S&P 500 as a proxy, has done very well over the last 3 years. It's up year to date, but we had 20+% returns each year over the last 3 years. Where are you going to get that? Are you going to get that in a sleepy savings account? I don't think so. So one of the myths, and I'm going to try to tackle a couple maybe this week and try to go live. But at least for today, the one that I want to tackle is the myth that you have to have a whole lot of money in order to invest in the stock market. You don't need to have a whole lot of money to invest in the stock market. That's a myth. You don't need thousands and thousands of dollars. You can start with as little as $5 a day. Now, $5 a day gets you started on the path to building wealth. We know we're going to go out there and spend more than that at Starbucks on a given day, or Dunkin' Donuts, or wherever you go, or Wendy's. So you're going to spend that money. So spend that money on you and spend that money on giving yourself the gift that's going to keep on giving. So the investment for the happy hour is $47, and I'm going to show you simple ways, right, that you can actually get started. Please note that I am not an investment advisor. I'm not giving investment advice. So let's be clear on that. But what I am doing is giving you the tools that you need to become an active investor. So if you've been procrastinating and saying, I really should learn about investing, or I really should see what's going on with the stock market, this is your year. Let's make it happen. This is January. Let's make 2026 the year where you become an active investor, the year where you make things happen with your money growth. And let's tackle it at the Investing Happy Hour. You will see the link posted in the comments for this live. And really, my dream for every woman out there is, if you are not investing, come to the Investing Happy Hour and see that it's not complicated. It doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be jargon. I have a client who actually told me, who's in human resources, and she actually said, you know what, Myrna, I really hate numbers. I hate numbers, but I'm actually excited about investing and I'm actually getting addicted to this. This is what she told me. And so it can happen for you too. Stop procrastinating, because what happens when you procrastinate? When you procrastinate, that's a cost. That is money that you're leaving on the table. It's like you're just letting time pass you by, and that's money that you could be making. So join me at the Investing Happy Hour. The link is in the notes, January 27th at 7:30. I can pretty much guarantee you that $47 that you spend is going to multiply, and it's well worth it. So come join the Investing Happy Hour. Be in a community where you have other women, successful women, high achieving powerhouse women that are all assembled really because they want to build wealth. And it's a safe space where there are no stupid questions, and you get your questions answered and you're able to move forward on your investing journey. All right, everybody. So hope to see you on Tuesday night, January 27th at the Investing Happy Hour. I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be fun. It's going to be epic. What a way to kickstart your year. All right, everybody. Good night.